Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laminate flooring cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the upgraded 13-inch Pro SPC flooring cutter NLVT330 by Mantistol. This cutter is designed specifically for cutting rigid core vinyl flooring materials like SPC, LVP, and VCT. It provides a maximum cutting width of 12.9 inches and a depth of 9 millimeters, making it a great tool for those working on precise vinyl projects. One standout feature is its ability to perform a wide range of cuts, including straight, angle, rip, and even L cuts. With a patented design, the NLVT330 is geared toward intuitive operation, and special instructions are included to help users master the cutting process. When it comes to design and build quality, the NLVT330 is made of durable materials like aluminum and steel, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy frame. The blade is adjustable, making it possible to tackle challenging cuts with ease. However, it's worth noting that this cutter is not suitable for laminate or engineered wood, as the throat and handle strength are insufficient for these tougher materials. Mantistol has been upfront about this limitation, which we appreciate. In terms of performance, this cutter is ideal for vinyl flooring professionals who value precision. However, the rigidity of SPC may occasionally cause cracking, which can be mitigated using the gradual cut method outlined in the manual. Pros include its versatility, dust-free operation, and lightweight design, while cons include its limited compatibility with non-vinyl materials. For vinyl-focused projects, this is a solid choice, but if you need something more versatile, keep watching. At number 4, we have the Marshalltown Ultralight Flooring Cutter, a product proudly made in the USA. This cutter is perfect for vinyl, laminate, and engineered hardwood flooring installations, with a cutting capacity of up to 15 32-second inches thick for vinyl and 3/8 inches thick for engineered wood. It's a lightweight option at just 14 pounds, making it easy to carry and use directly in your workspace. With a movable aluminum fence, you can perform precise 45-degree and 90-degree cuts effortlessly. The design emphasizes portability and simplicity. The integrated handle allows for single-hand carrying, and the included honing stone ensures that your blade stays sharp for extended use. However, it's worth noting that this cutter is slightly less robust than some competitors when it comes to very thick materials or intense workloads. Its minimalistic design may appeal to casual DIYers, but professionals might find the lack of advanced features limiting. In terms of performance, the Marshalltown Ultralight excels in clean, dust-free, and quiet cutting. It's a great entry-level tool for those working on smaller projects or for homeowners looking to save on installation costs. Pros include its lightweight build and ease of use, while cons include its limited cutting thickness and lack of advanced features like adjustable blades. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for lightweight flooring projects, but if you need something more heavy-duty, stay tuned for the top 3. Taking the third spot is the 13-inch Pro Laminate Floor Cutter MC330 by Mantistol. This versatile cutter is a great all-rounder designed to handle laminate, engineered wood, vinyl, and even bamboo flooring. It comes with a maximum cutting thickness of 16 millimeters and includes a bonus installation kit with a tapping block, pole bar, and spacers, making it a complete package for DIYers and professionals alike. The 4mm tungsten steel blade ensures precise and clean cuts, and the included 600 grit honing stone helps maintain sharpness over time. The MC330 boasts a sturdy build featuring a combination of aluminum and steel for durability. It's capable of straight and 45-degree angle cuts, making it suitable for a variety of project needs. At 18.7 pounds, it's a bit heavier compared to other cutters, but this added weight contributes to its stability during use. The design is user-friendly, with clear markings for accurate cuts, though it lacks wheels, which might make portability a bit challenging. When it comes to performance, This cutter delivers consistent results, making it a reliable option for medium-sized flooring projects. Pros include its versatility, included installation kit, and durable blade, while cons include its heavier weight and lack of advanced dust management. Overall, the MC330 is a great choice for those looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution for various flooring materials. Our runner-up is the Naku 13-inch vinyl plank cutter, and this one is a star performer with incredible user ratings. Designed to handle laminate, vinyl, and engineered wood, it boasts a cutting width of 13 inches and a maximum thickness of 13 millimeters. What sets this cutter apart is its unique one-step design for simultaneous angle and length adjustments, saving you time and effort. It also features rubber wheels for easy mobility, a handhold design for carrying, and an extendable handle for better leverage. The Naku cutter is crafted from strong aluminum alloy and HDPE, ensuring durability while keeping the weight manageable. Its sharp Wolfrost steel blade is detachable, and a gift whetstone is included to prolong the blade's lifespan. Safety is a priority too, with a chain brake bar and blade cover to prevent accidents during storage. In terms of performance, the Naku cutter shines, offering clean, precise cuts with minimal effort. It's ideal for busy professionals or DIYers who value efficiency. Pros include its innovative design, excellent build quality, and user-friendly features, while the only real con is that it's not suitable for porcelain tiles. If you need speed, precision, and portability, this cutter is hard to beat. Finally, at the top spot and our #1 pick, we have the Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter by CutterX. This is a feature-packed powerhouse designed for professionals and serious DIYers. It offers a cutting width of 13 inches and a thickness of up to 5/8 inches, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. What sets it apart is its precision cutting capabilities with multiple angles: 0, 15, 22.5, 30, and 45 degrees, along with an integrated ruler for accurate measurements. It's also equipped with a high-speed steel blade capable of lasting through over 20,000 cuts, making it a fantastic long-term investment. The build quality is exceptional, featuring sturdy steel and aluminum construction with a durable ABS support table. The long handle provides excellent leverage, reducing effort during cutting, and the addition of wheels makes it easy to move around your workspace. The CutterX cutter is also incredibly user-friendly, with a sliding stop lock for safe storage and an eco-friendly design that generates no dust or noise. Performance-wise, this cutter is a dream to work with. Whether we're tackling laminate, vinyl, engineered wood, or even rubber flooring, the CutterX handles it all with ease. Pros include its unmatched versatility, durability, and precision, while the only downside is its relatively higher weight at 14.47 pounds. If you're looking for the ultimate flooring cutter, the CutterX is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.